Synergetic payments enable fast, secure, and convenient payment processing, making it really easy for your school community to complete one-off transactions. Now, there are multiple administrative benefits, including reduced time spent chasing payments because there's going to be fewer outstanding balances and less time spent on credit control. You have immediate recording because successful payments are instantly created in your general ledger and debtor account, minimizing manual processing and errors. And you have reduced errors because the online banking details are validated up front for future payments, reducing input errors and failed transactions. There are also multiple parent benefits, including their ability to make ad hoc and recurring payments using a range of payment options. They have flexible payment methods, including card payments, bank transfers. They don't have to create an account with the payment processor to make a payment. And all of this can be done through the Synergetic community portal, which enables parents to pay their school fees, contributions, excursions, etc. And it has the best in-class security because payment details never reside on the school system. So it's really leveraging that robust industry standard protections. So let's have a look. I've come into the community portal, payments. I'm selecting debtor payment, and you can see this is for Mr. and Mrs. Abbott who owe over $81,000, and I'm going to make a payment of $2,000 here. Now I get the option in terms of new card, stored card, managed stored cards, and now I'm going to select new cards. So email address, put in the card number here, and expiration date, security code, and then I click pay. Now what you'll see is the surcharge up the top. So schools can configure surcharges for different payment methods to offset that transaction fee. So this is completely optional and customizable and transparent. They can also print this transaction confirmation, email or print it to themselves. If I click on the Finance tab, they can come here, and now alternatively they can download a copy of the receipt. So they can check the receipt and then download if they want to. Parents can also choose to save their card details under stored cards. And remember, the payment details don't reside on the school system. So this time I'm making a payment of $1,000. I'm selecting stored cards, and I have pre-entered my Visa card. I'm selecting select here, and then I select pay now. Again, you'll see the surcharge added up there that schools decided to add on, and I get that transaction confirmation. Final option is being able to do a direct debit through this payment gateway. So this time I'm going to pay $1,500 off on the outstanding total. I'm going to select new card, but this time I select direct debit, and then I enter the BSB number, I enter the account number, remembering I have to do this each time I want to do a direct debit, entering the full name here, and then ultimately entering the email address at the top here. So I'm going to put Bashir and then click pay, and obviously no surcharges added with this one. And then you get again that transaction confirmation. So when you come to this Finance tab, you can view all of the receipts that you have created as a parent. So Synergetic Payments makes it really easy for your school community to complete these one-off transactions whenever they want to.